Facebook ads algorithm takes into account a variety of factors when deciding which ad to show to a certain user. One of the most important factors is the user's behavior and interests on Facebook. The algorithm analyzes the user's past behavior such as their likes, comments, and clicks. It also considers the user's demographics such as their age, location, and gender. Furthermore, the algorithm looks at the ad's relevance and quality score to determine its likelihood of success. Ads with high relevance and quality score are more likely to be shown to users. Another important factor is the advertiser's bid and budget. The higher the bid, the more likely the ad will be shown to users. The ad's format, such as an image or video, can also impact its likelihood of success. Facebook ads algorithm also takes into account the user's ad feedback. Negative feedback such as hiding an ad or marking it as irrelevant can decrease the ad's chances of being shown. On the other hand, positive feedback such as liking or sharing an ad increases its likelihood of success. Finally, Facebook ads algorithm uses machine learning to continuously improve and optimize ad delivery. Overall, Facebook ads algorithm is a complex system that aims to deliver the most relevant and engaging ads to users.